how to block ads on Facebook. So if you want to block ads on your Facebook, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, you need to just go with your profile or on the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then go with settings, which is on the top right. From your settings, now here you can scroll down and then you can find ads section, or if you don't find it, you can also just simply go with your search, and under search you can search for preferences or ad payments. Go with ad payments, or you may also have ad preferences. So you can go back, open up your account center, scroll down a bit, go with ad preferences, which are right here, and it will take you to this kind of interface. You can go with manage info and then scroll down a bit and you will find an option of ad settings. So just go with ad settings, and under your ad settings you just need simply go with categories used to reach you, and you need to turn off these options. Go with your employer and then go and turn it off. Go with no, and in the same way you can go with job title, go with no, and education, tap on no, unspecified, this also you need to go with no, and scroll down and then remove all of the categories associated with you. After removing all of the categories, you will block your ads. Or the second solution is you can just simply go back and then go with the other options, and here also you need to just go and turn all of these off. Once you turn this off, you won't receive any ads on your Facebook. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.